It's a 2018 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: adaptive cruise control, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rear view mirror, active noise cancellation, refrigerated box located in the console, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.